What's up, YouTube? Sorry about that. Took me a second to get it working. Welcome in, though. See if we can't catch a nice trade today.
And don't trade a lot, but this Apple like 215.5 to 216 area bounce doesn't look horrible.
I'll tell you what looks good is that Google above 198.
There he is. What's up, Grizzly?
What's up?
How you doing, bro?
Good. Just running behind all morning, I believe.
What is wrong with Brandon, bro? I'm literally gonna fight this kid next time I see him.
What's he doing?
Just out of the blue. All right, let's just let Team Bull see what type of friend Brandon is. Besides the fact of just paying for all of his meals, always. Mr. Cheap. His first name is Mr. Krabs. His second name is Brandon because he is cheap.
What's up, YouTube?
Yeah,
Welcome in.
bites. Let's just pull this up here while we're waiting for this first 15 minutes to play out.
Let me listen to Jaden finish this story, then we'll talk, YouTube.
Let's just pull this up for the chat here. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, not chat, Brandon. We're talking about Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs himself. Let's see, let's put this up and
You gonna tell me what happened?
oh, I'm trying to post a picture, it's just not letting me. There we go.
There you go. I was wondering what was going on.
For lunch and dinner for a while. I don't know, bro. What's wrong with this guy? Of course, that's what Brandon's thinking about.
All right,
Oh,
YouTube, I'm back. I am back.
Hey, you keep talking. When you're older, you get your colonoscopy. Just know, I'm keeping receipts for when you're 40. 50. Brando Commando? Yup. Good. Hey, Gene.
I don't know what's going on. But what's up, YouTube? If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm not for sure what's going to happen today, but I'm a little cautious after yesterday. looks like, we could get some continuation, but then again, it did yesterday as well, and it just chopped around horrible the first, like hour or two. And finally, it pushed back down nearly to that 15-minute range low, then ripped. So, nothing we could have done there unless we just had a huge, stop loss. Way too much risk. About to sneeze. Yep. NQU, that's on Tradevate. NQ1's what I watch on TradingView. NQU is the contract. They have different expiration dates, Kathleen. Trying to get something posted here. What's up? GameStop character. GameStop. Oh, never seen Curry miss like that. What do you think? Sorry, people coming and wanting attention occasionally. May have been having a bad day, bad morning. He's referring to the GameStop pump, I would imagine. Which was really fun, to be honest. I had fun with that, didn't you all? Whenever GameStop was pumping. Yep. Check out my Instagram story, YouTube. I opened a new social so everyone can follow along. I did it yesterday. I did like a day in the life of Grizzly, just like let people follow along what I did throughout the day. It's like a huge hit, so I made another social for that. It's more personal. Let me see how many accounts I got, Luke. We may be able to make something happen today. No, SSJ is just good for marketing and stuff. And it was fun. I honestly had fun doing it, so. That's awesome, Michael. Hopefully you had a great time. I'm trying to see how many take profit accounts I have remaining. I gotta mute for just a second. I do have some accounts to give away, YouTube. I'll give some away towards the end of this live, okay?
I don't like that wick up.
What's up? I'm back. Sorry about that.
Technically got it there. Slow day, 97.
Let's try another break. One red, one green. I'm gonna try another one.
We got wholesale inventories at 10 a.m. and at 3 p.m. consumer credit. I don't really like
Watch
anything
this
till we pull back.
ES.
I want to bounce like way down here.
Well, like where we closed right there, we had a massive, or not massive, but a decent sized wick up.
I was hoping to catch Google, but it's selling back off. It hit that resistance again, sold right back off. But once we get above 198 on Google, we should see a nice move up. I didn't see we had a Fed speaker. Oh yeah, the Atlanta. Yeah, I see it now. Atlanta Fed speaker. That is correct. Yep.
Let's see. I'm gonna try a small piece of ES shorts.
Jay done entered
Pop up
ES shorts.
So, hold on.
I believe he has. Let me see. Let me make sure.
I haven't entered yet.
Says he hasn't entered yet. I
If I
misunderstood.
enter, if I could buy, I'll let you guys know. 604 to 605. All right, I'm trying a small piece. Try a small piece of ES shorts
He's in.
with only a 3.
I'm not taking it, but Jay Dunn's in ES shorts YouTube.
So it'll be above 6407. Colonoscopy size. So
And he's apparently having one of them today.
keeping my risk very small. We got the close below. I don't like that wick up, but the risk is so low here that it's worth a shot. If we get this lower high, keep stops above the trend setting candle, and then move down. Only risking a few $100. You've been very light, especially after yesterday's losers. Got the confirmation in the 5 minutes, so it's worth a shot to me. At 1-to-1 here. I'm gonna go ahead and trim here at 1-to-1 just because it's colonoscopy day. 4 points of profit for 3 points of risk. I'd like to see a low a day, but I did take a little off here. My ES. I want to see a low a day out of this though. That'll make our risk reward solid. If we can break down 63.97, my price target is 63.90.
Yes, he took ES shorts, Korean. But it's already in profit, so don't chase.
I want it to dump like me all last night for the colonoscopy.
Too far.
Pause.
Too far. Oh.
I'd like to see us move to low a day. Come on. Move it down. 5 points so far. Well, now 4. Give us low a day, baby. Come on. That last candle looks good with that close.
Anybody take the shorts with Jay Dunn? Hopefully it prints to the downside more. Make sure you trim though.
Come on.
It is a weird morning on stuff. Gold was in sync for a minute with NQ and everything. So.
Oh, shit, my hard stop just got hit, guys. My hard stop
What was
just got
that?
hit. My hard stop got hit, and I am just over break even. Wow.
What was that?
I don't know. My hard stop just got hit, though. My hard stop just got hit, everybody. My hard stop got hit. I thought we were going to have a nice green day. We're still barely green, but man, my hard stop is hit. I am not in this trade. We could keep going down. My hard stop is hit. My hard stop is hit. I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. I really had high hopes for that. I don't know what the heck that was. My hard stop is hit. Wow, I got a massive green. You guys aren't going to be ready for this. This massive green day. My hard top that got hit. Yeah, literally immediate 8-point move on ES. That's what I like about ES though, is that it's not as many points, so NQ with how aggressive it moves, you get a lot more slippage versus ES unless it's a massive 20-30 point move.
Yeah, no, it could be.
Close this candle strong in the 5-minute. You can look for the reverse orb too. At its max, we got about 6 points out of that trade, with only 3 points of risk. 5 to 6 points for only 3 or 3.5 points of risk. So I'll take it. I think wholesale inventories is in 3 minutes. We don't have data at 7 or at 9:55. We have data at 10. Well, thank God I took that first trim.
AMD's nuking.
AMD looked good. I had a price target on it of 171.
Wow.
And it's at 171.
Oh my goodness.
We talked
AMD.
about that this morning. We didn't get the test back down to 166, but if you look at the daily chart there, you can see.
Data drops in 2 minutes, then we have a Fed speaker.
I was really hoping that was going to be a nice 2-3 hour trade. The setup honestly looked really good.
If it's anything like yesterday, we'll get one more aggressive pullback close to that 15-minute range low, then trend up.
I think I'm really going to start liking to trade ES. Do you ever trade ES, Grizzly?
I used to, but I got into NQ and
Yeah.
ES it lost its appeal, but
I'm watching both. Sometimes I keep.
How much I used to dominate SPY, it's like, why not, you know? That's how I think of it.
I'm trading both now.
Well, AMD's about to fill that daily gap. Never got the retest bound back down intraday. Tesla flat. Is Nvidia falling a little bit? Oh yeah, Nvidia's moving too. I still have not sold any of my 400-ish shares on Nvidia. I haven't taken any profit. We had some nasty ads inside Team Bull too. We had some nasty ads inside Team Bull. Some nasty ones. I should be selling covered calls.
it's literally what I was just doing.
Half a level here on ES is for 20.5, so watching this level. In Q, I'm watching 705. On another trade, I have a room to take another trade. One green, one red. I'm good. I'm willing to take another one.
Let's see where we're at here in terms of why are both of these. Jeez, here we go. Technically speaking, it's valid for a bounce down in this area, but unlikely when you be done for the day. My slight green. Still like that 63.90 area for a bounce. That was my main bounce area. I will not be chopped up in this 15-minute range again. But if you go from low to high a day, this is our 50 to 61.8% range. You have this higher 5-minute candle with higher volume. Just not super keen on taking more trades, but that's what I would be watching. Is a hold of this and then move up. You talked to Maddie, Gene? Oh, good. Oh, cool. Okay. Am I nervous? I'm chilling. Oh, for the... No, not at all, bro. It's just annoying having to take all the meds and stuff. I don't like anesthesia either. I just don't have time for it. Oh, I just realized too, NQ's at its orb level. Closed above. 629, 641. I just realized that too looking at that. Yes.
Any questions, YouTube? I'm just waiting on a setup. Waiting on a setup. If you have any questions, now is the time. Make sure you check out my story on Instagram as well. I plan on airing, but I haven't had time yet. I've got too much going on still. I thought it would have slowed down, but it hasn't slowed down yet, but I think it will. It's hard to manage all the accounts and live trade, you know. Technically, if you're trading with Grizzology, everyone, when you have a candle like this, you would wait on the retracement. Your entry would have been here. But I'm gonna be patient. I don't like the market, the price action last couple of days, so. Especially yesterday. Yep, I muted and I talked to you muted for about 2 minutes before I realized I was muted again. So, that's where we're at. Let's see. See if it pushes down and does exactly what it did yesterday. I think I may try this VWAP bounce. If we get down there. Is anybody in a trade?
Nope.
If we push down the VWAP, I'm going to try longs on NQ. It's the only thing I like here. Basically the same thing it did yesterday. Closer to the low, 15-minute range low.
$397. Like 63.90 down to 63.87. So I'm gonna look for some confirmation in there. The one and low is 63.83 as well. There's some aggressive selling though. I don't love that.
Just the NQ shorts again.
Greg said he got an NQ shorts, everyone.
Entry 598.
Gonna watch for this move to one and low here. Or if we see some confirmation in this area, this is my longs area.
This is my longs area as well.
Yes, not
On NQ. Our entry should have been right here if you're going to try the longs with me. Hate fading Greg. As soon as he got in, as soon as I started taking my longs, everyone. So, sorry if you took them with Greg.
See if we can get a slower trade confirmation.
I was about to pull the trigger on them longs as soon as Greg entered down there. The VWAP bounce was what I was looking at, everyone, but it's passed. If you took it, congrats. I trimmed on that bounce, everyone.
It's calling me. Oh, hello? How's it going, man? Oh, yep. Be there in 3 minutes? Alright, see you in 3 minutes. Bye. Thank you, Gene. Alright, let's watch how this 5-minute candle closes on ES. This is exactly the selling I wanted to see earlier. Had it not been for that Trump candle or whatever it was, would have still been holding.
Horrible feels.
This one is my stop loss.
Jesus. What is up with Tradeovate's fills lately? I got a horrible fill. Entry and trim.
So I have two potential options for us. We either see some sort of reversal confirmation in this zone down here, or we look for a pop-up and failure for shorts in here.
I made $656.
You guys know I don't like just to blindly buy, especially when we're nuking down. If I'm gonna take a bounce, I like to see confirmation first. I do think that we could get some opportunity in here based on the higher time frames.
No, we don't. I don't fade. That's why I didn't say, hey, I'm in, as soon as he got in. I told you all the game plan earlier, though. I wanted to touch this 15-minute range low, VWAP for a bounce.
Yep, I'm watching for that too on ES. White Tiger. For sure. For show.
What was the volume on that candle? Could get continuation to the upside, but there's too much risk on this candle now.
Like 635.3-ish on SPY. On ES, like 63.97.
I mean, you could try the longs here, but where your stop would have to be right here.
Aggressive volume here, huh?
So whatever your position size is, you have to allow for this risk to reward, because it wouldn't make no sense to stop out before, right? I'm out of the trade from earlier though. The bounce, initial bounce, everyone. Not re-entering. What is up with this volume?
Watching this carefully, guys, so I'm not talking as much. I'm focused on watching this price action. This was a nice aggressive push down candle here on ES, just no retest back up even to the 397 candle low.
Stop out.
Exactly like yesterday, everyone. VWAP bounces it. Look at the price section yesterday on NQ at this exact same time.
Watch this ES. Love to see us confirm a bounce in this demand zone. Either that or a reject 6397 to 6400. My only issue is that we never touched. We're below this 15-minute low. We haven't touched this London low.
Oh, they stopped me out. I'm just gonna dump now. Fuck.
So just waiting for confirmation. I'd like to see this 5-minute candle confirm on a yes.
Oh man.
Let's see, everybody. No confirmation in this candle either for a bounce. Brennan's long. I don't blame him. Just being a little more careful. This is the area I like.
I don't like anything here, everyone.
I'd like to see us sweep pre-market low first.
So I hear that, Luke. Trust me, I have lost my fair share of funded accounts and evals. I can relate. Takes one good
I
payout
don't
though
blame Brando
to make
for
it
the
worth
long.
it.
As far as the 4-hour chart goes, it looks decent. The 1 hour and 4 hour. Just need a little more confirmation from me. A little more confirmation from me. For shorts, I would have wanted to see this pop back up into this area. This would have been beautiful.
Now, it's ways off for the bounce I like. Way down here.
There you go. They stopped me out and then dump.
Sorry, Exalt. I feel you, bro. That was me yesterday.
Looking yes, one more tray maybe on level 3A2. Let's see.
This would be the area.
If you all want to try some funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com.
Thank you. Still not
Check
much
out
below.
Take Profit and use code
Really
Grizzly.
well,
It's one of the
trading.
best. grizzlytrades.com.
Still need more confirmation for me, guys. No trades until I see more confirmation. We never got the retest back up to this area for shorts up here. We have no 5-minute confirmation for the longs, so
Now the NQ shorts are paying.
if I don't see 5-minute confirmation, I ain't taking it. So, Gene, you go over there?
Anyone still on NQ shorts?
You all ready for some?
Oh, nice. Oh, no.
You all ready for some funded? The funded giveaway for Take Profit. That's what you're all waiting on, huh? All right. Jacob Garcia, DM me your email, link to Take Profit account on Instagram. While I'm picking the next two winners, you see a thumbs up at top. Run them up. All right. I didn't see. I was gonna give one to Paula, but I don't see her on here. Or I skipped over her message. So, Paula, if you're listening, I'm gonna give you one. And SJ, you have to DM me on Instagram with your email associated with Take Profit. Do not DM me without that, because I have to reply, then wait on you. All that good stuff. So I gave away 3. We may do 3 more tomorrow. So. No, SJ, not SSJ. Sorry. SSJ. SSJ, actually, since the confusion, I'll give you a count as well. Just DM me. SJ and SSJ. Sorry about that. So I'll give away 4 today. I took the initial bounce at VWAP. Is the only thing I caught right when Greg went short. Greg went short like right here, and it pushed down. I got long here, caught the scalp back up. That's the only trade I've taken. Yeah, 50K counts. You want if you when you win these here on YouTube, you can expect them by tomorrow morning, afternoon at latest. So. I need everyone to go to my Instagram story and follow the new social I started. I'm gonna run it up. So, I don't really see anything I like for a trade. The only bounce I've seen turn into a scalp, selling back off. For those still looking for a trade, you plan on setting your desk a while today, this would be the area to watch for sure on NQ. If we're gonna bounce, we can continue down. This will be where we bounce. We'll see how it goes, Jacob. If it gets too out of hand, I'll just delete it. But I'm gonna try to make it a more personal place, post like I was on my Instagram story. Looks like it could be a possible reversal candle right here, everyone. Getting some high volume coming in. I would say if this closes above VWAP, it may be okay for a possible long entry, but we're not closed above yet. It's close. It doesn't look bad for longs. Just didn't get above that VWAP. A lot of times what'll happen when you finally break it, it'll pull back, retest, and then continue on down. That's what you know why I want it above it. No, I didn't. But I think that's it. Gonna watch this bounce, but other than that, I don't like anything else. I will see you all maybe tomorrow. I'll definitely be live on Instagram in the morning.